Guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while since my last video. I have a new little microphone from TikTok. It is not the microphone I want forever, but this is just like how it is for now. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be making YouTube videos again. I feel like it has been way too long and I just missed it. I miss y'all. I threw away my old mic because I didn't think I'd ever make YouTube videos again, to be honest. So what I want this video to really be about is my experience transitioning. I've been transitioning now for about 10 plus years. I don't even know the exact number. But kind of talk about changes in my life, what the hormones have done to me, all of that stuff. So first of all, kind of noticeable, I did get a top surgery, which went really well. I'm really excited that I did it. It was one of the most gender euphoric things I've ever done. And it just felt really, really, really right. I have a facial feminization procedure scheduled for December, which I'm really nervous about. I want to talk to you guys about that because he's recommending a lot of stuff like a facelift, cheek implants, like really like crazy shit, crazy stuff. And that's like really scary to me. So that's going to be a separate video. But since the last time I saw y'all, I am no longer with my ex-partner. We have separated, and I think that's probably best for both of us. At this point, I have my own apartment. I really love it. It's really, really nice here. Y'all know I have a little bit of an obsessive personality. Okay, so my last little obsession, it wasn't little, but my last obsession, as God, not you can't even see all of them. Let me show you. My last obsession was perfume. So I want to talk about perfume. I'm super into perfume. I'm not really buying them anymore because like, girl, like I bought all of them. Now I'm onto purses and like designer purses. We'll get into that, girl. Trust me. That's a whole another topic. But it's been really great. My gender dysphoria has been really minimized and lowered. I'm really excited for the facial feminization surgery. I feel like no matter what happens, it's gonna look better. So another difference is that this is my hair. I've never actually like worn my real hair in videos. I do have some extensions in, but yeah, this is my real hair. I'm not really doing the wigs anymore or anything like that. It's just kind of my natural hair at this point. I feel like as I've continued taking hormones, my skin has continued to get so much softer, and that started pretty early, but now I feel like it's just so soft. Like it feels so nice. And another thing that I loved was the body hair reduction. I literally almost have no body hair. It just doesn't grow anymore, which is really cool. I've never really been one to do voice training or anything like that. I'm not super into, I've never really cared about it, but I have noticed that my voice has kind of like gone down a little bit. And especially if I'm like whispering, like it is like a little bit more feminine and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So that's been nice. Another big change since I've seen y'all last is that I've lost a significant amount of weight. I actually lost like way too much weight and went in the different direction, which I will show you guys pictures of probably in a different video, but that was crazy. I'm kind of like evening out now. Maybe want to lose a little bit more weight, but I lost a lot of weight, like too much weight. And we can talk about that as well. Those are kind of the changes I've experienced in the last moments since I've seen y'all. I really want this channel moving forward to be about kind of a bunch of different stuff, like just whatever is going on in my life. I love perfume, as you see, so I want to review some of the perfumes, some of the bags I've got, but also talk about, of course, the political stuff that's going on, because there's so much stuff that it's just wild. Like, we're living in wild times. And especially for the LGBT community, it's just been in like an onslaught. So it's hard not to be impacted by that or see people who are impacted by that. My current obsession is concealer. So I'm trying to figure out like what concealer I love the best, which is a whole struggle in itself. And I might make a little series about that because it is so hard to find a good concealer. I'm trying 2 different ones on today to see which one I like more. I just go through like different obsessive phases. I don't know what it is, but it just happens. And right now it's concealer and luxury bags. We'll get into it, girl. Like, really. But it's been nice coming back from this hiatus. Girl, words. And I'm really excited to be reconnecting with you guys. It's been so many years since I've been on this app, and so many times where I've stopped filming, coming back to filming. And right now, I just need sort of a creative outlet in my life. And I would love to do that here with y'all and answer any questions, trans related, or yeah, just kind of go see where the channel takes us. So if you're still watching, thank you. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that crazy stuff. And I will be making more videos, hopefully more consistently. I'm really excited. So I will see you guys in my next video.